equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. First, disconnect your Dyson SV12 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back of the handle. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the 2 screws. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the handle apart to expose the internal components. Now, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the handle. This will not only help with the repair but also improve the overall performance of your vacuum. If you find this task too daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. With the handle open, locate the trigger mechanism. You will see a small clip holding the trigger in place. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry the clip away from the trigger. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Once the clip is removed, gently pull the trigger out of its housing. Now, take your new trigger and insert it into the housing. Ensure it fits snugly and aligns properly with the internal mechanism. Once in place, reattach the clip to secure the trigger. This step is crucial, as a loose trigger can lead to further issues down the line. After securing the trigger, it's time to reassemble the handle. Align the 2 halves of the handle and press them together firmly. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could crack the plastic. Before testing your vacuum, it's a good idea to clean the exterior of the device. A clean vacuum not only looks better but also performs better. If you're short on time or prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Once everything is reassembled, plug your Dyson SV12 back in and test the new trigger. It should operate smoothly without any sticking or resistance. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. In summary, replacing the trigger on your Dyson SV12 is a straightforward process that can be done with a few basic tools. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your vacuum and keep it running efficiently. If you ever feel overwhelmed by repairs, remember that we are here to help with no calls, no travel, and a professional service at your convenience. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.